Hi folks, welcome to my channel, The Average Dermadoc. Let's begin the show. Rituximab. From the name itself, we can derive that it is a chimeric monoclonal antibody. Anti-CD20 IgG antibody. What is CD20? It is a cell surface antigen on which cells? B cells. From the definition itself, we can derive its mechanism of action. It leads to destruction of cells. Whichever the cell is containing this and CD20 antigen, it will go chase that cell and it will kill that cell. So it is highly targeted towards CD20 plus cells via antibody mediated cell damage, complement dependent cytotoxicity, signaling induced cell death. Once our rituximab goes and binds to that CD20 antigen, it will stimulate some signals which leads to apoptosis of that particular cell. So along with that cell, our rituximab also undergoes proteolysis. It will be broken down into multiple amino acids. T-half is of 21 days, same like that of IgG antibody. With subsequent dosing, T-half will increase because in our first dose, it will go and kill all the CD20 cells. So along with that, it will also get destroyed. So T-half will be less in the initial dosing. In the next dose, all the CD20 plus cells will have depleted. So our rituximab will stay for a long time. Rituximab is very safe. It will only destroy B cells. After stopping rituximab, again our immunity will come back within 4 to 6 months. Coming to US FDA approved uses, non-Hodgkin's B-cell lymphoma, chronic lymphocytic leukemia. All these are CD20 plus cancers. Rheumatoid arthritis, granulomatosis with polyangiitis, microscopic polyangiitis. Our main use, moderate to severe Pemphigus vulgaris. In Pemphigus vulgaris, no B cells, no antibody production. That is particularly anti-desmoglein antibodies. Other immunobullous diseases are of off-label uses like Pemphigus foliaceus, paraneoplastic Pemphigus, bullous pemphigoid, mucous membrane pemphigoid, epidermolysis bullosa acquisita. Cutaneous lupus erythematosus, graft versus host disease, scleroderma, dermatomyositis. These are all the list of off-label uses of rituximab. Rituximab is available in 50 ml vials. This 50 ml will contain 500 mg of rituximab. This solution is for IV infusion, slow IV infusion. First time we have to give very slowly. Subsequent doses we can increase the speed. First we have to mix it with 450 ml of normal saline. Why 450 ml? To make it into a concentration of 1 mg per ml. If we have taken 100 ml vial, then 900 ml of normal saline we should mix. Then we will get a concentration of 1 mg per ml. How to administer this? First we have to pre-medicate the patient with hydrocortisone 100 mg, promethazine 25 mg, paracetamol 50 mg. Then rituximab infusion is started very slowly with 50 mg per hour. Later, if the patient doesn't get any infusion and well tolerating, we can increase the speed. For every 30 minutes, we can double the speed. In case if there is no infusion reaction, we can double the speed of infusion for every 30 minutes. What is the dosage? There are two types. Rheumatoid arthritis protocol, lymphoma protocol. Rheumatoid arthritis protocol is very simple and most commonly followed because of its ease of admission. 1000 mg on day 1, we will wait for 2 weeks, that is 14 days. On 15th day, again 1000 mg. This completes one course. Very simple. Now comes lymphoma protocol. 375 mg per meter square weekly for 4 weeks, 4 doses. Rheumatoid arthritis protocol, just 2 doses. 1000 mg, 14 days apart. In Pemphigus vulgaris, as I have already mentioned, it will reduce the production of anti-desmoglein antibodies. Frequent booster doses every 6 months may be required as maintenance dosage. First we will give 1000 mg on day 1, 1000 mg on day 15. completes the cycle. Then to maintain remission, we have to give frequent booster doses every 6 months once in Pemphigus vulgaris. If no remission occurred with day 1 and day 15, we can again restart the cycle. Coming to adverse effects of Rituximab, infusion reaction. While infusing the drug itself, we can get anaphylaxis and arrhythmias, tachycardia. Later, we can get infections, mainly reactivation of hepatitis B virus. Hematological side effects like pancytopenia, late onset neutropenia, hypogammaglobulinemia. Anti-drug antibodies. As our Rituximab is a chimeric monoclonal antibody, it is non-human species derived, so it will be a foreign object to our body. Our body will produce antibodies against Rituximab. Anti-drug antibodies. Bowel obstruction, perforation very rarely. Mucocutaneous side effects like SJS, 10 lichenoid dermatitis, paraneoplastic pemphigus. Other vesiculobullous diseases can occur. We are treating Rituximab for vesiculobullous diseases. As a reaction, vesiculobullous dermatosis can occur. Investigations and monitoring of Rituximab. CBC LFT monthly for 3 months. RFT, RBS, ECG, 2D echo. Before infusing, we have to check how the heart is functioning. Hepatitis B, C, HIV screening. TB screening mainly every year we have to do with IGRA, interferon gamma release assay. In Pemphigus, we can monitor whether the disease is reducing or resolving by checking anti-desmoglein antibodies level using ELISA and CD20 cells which we are targeting with Rituximab using flow cytometry. Remember the channel name. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Hasta la vista. До свидания.